So we will be downloading a tool called Wireshark, and the Wireshark tool will allow you to go ahead and view the traffic. So for this, we will go to the download section, and you can see these are all the different types of installers. We're going to go ahead and we are going to use the Windows Intel installer, which we will go ahead and we will put in our downloads. Okay. Once we have downloaded, we are going to go ahead and we are going to run it. All right. So once you go ahead and you double click on the installation file, it gives you the user access control. We are going to go ahead and we are going to click on a yes. And there we get the setup. So it is saying, welcome to Wireshark 4.0.6 for 64-bit setup. Click next. You need to go ahead and you need to read this. I'm going to say noted. You can learn more about donations here. Just go ahead and select all the options. I'm going to click on next. What are all places you want to go ahead and you want to have? I will just go ahead and take a single desktop icon and associate all these different files with Wireshark. I'm going to place it over here in the program files. And I will also have NCAP. NCAP is another tool that you need to be able to go ahead and use when you are working with Wireshark. So we will install NCAP too. Now there is another thing called USB cap, but we are going to not use USB cap. All right, so we'll leave that out, but we will go ahead and only use NCAP. And we are going to go ahead and we are going to wait for the installation. In fact, the NPCAP installation agreement, we have to say yes. And then we can go ahead and we can also install other types of options pertaining to NPCAP. I'm going to just say install right now. I'm going to click on a next and then finish and then continue with the rest of the installation for Wireshark because we need the NPCAP to be able to capture live traffic. I'm going to click on a next and then I'm going to click finish. And now I should have Wireshark as an app installed on my machine. So if you notice, the first thing is to choose the connection which I would listen to. So I would typically go ahead and use the Ethernet connection or the Wi-Fi connection, whichever one be the case. And I'm going to stop the traffic here. You can see one of the packets that I have captured is the TCP packet. TCP packet. How does the TCP packet look like? The TCP packet comprises of a frame header. You can see the IP version 4, the source and the destination IP addresses. With the checksum, right now you can see that the checksum is unverified. Time to live is 111. You can see the transmission control protocol with the source port and the destination port. You can see over here, can you see there is an acknowledgement? Can you see the flag which is enabled here is the acknowledgement flag. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click here and can you see there is a separate section for flags and the flags you can go ahead and you can see which is the one. So remember we have the SYN flag, SYN-ACK flag. All right, then I talked about the fin flag. Then for this, for a not so graceful closure, you would go ahead and you would use the rest flag. So these would be the different flags you would go ahead and you would utilize. All right, reset flag. All right, would be the one that you would use. All right.